HSC ITS has chosen Panopto as Health Sciences Lecture Capture Solution. The Panopto Library must be enabled within your course by sole support before you can begin recording. You can launch the Panopto Recorder in one of two ways. One option is to log in to the classroom computer. Then simply open the Panopto desktop application. You will be asked to utilize your WVU and two-factor authentication prior to launching the recorder. The other option is to launch the recorder from within a sole course in which you are an administrator. Click Resources in the left navigational panel, then select the Panopto Library. From the Create drop-down, you can choose to record a new session. Here you can either choose to download Panopto onto your computer or open Panopto, which we will select since it is already installed. Now we have launched the Panopto Recorder interface. The first step will be to click the drop-down arrow next to the folder under Session Settings to set the folder where you want the recording saved. You may have to choose under Courses to find the correct folder. Note, if you launch from a sole course, it will default to that course's folder. Each folder will represent a course in which you are an administrator and that has enabled Panopto. From here, you will also have the option to name your recording session. If you do not name your video, the title will automatically be set to the date and time it was recorded. We will demonstrate later how to use the Join Session option. Next, we will review the primary sources that control the video and audio inputs which make up the recording. If you would like a video of yourself presenting, you can select a primary video source under the video drop-down. However, you do not need to include this if you just want to record audio. Please note, you must select a primary audio source for a successful recording. When you are in a classroom, this should default to whatever sound system that is available in the room. If you are recording locally on your desktop and you do not see a microphone connected, select the drop-down under Audio, then select a microphone connected to your computer. After selecting your audio, you should test it by talking in a normal voice to gauge the volume. You should see a few green bars appear as you talk. If you don't see any, or see the red and yellow bars highlighted, adjust the volume by using the slider. There are three different quality settings available. Standard quality is the default. Changing this setting increases or decreases the frames and kilobytes per second captured in your recording. We recommend leaving the quality as the default standard, unless higher quality is required. The Capture Computer Audio option is typically not necessary. It allows you to capture the sound coming out of the computer. For example, when capturing the words said by a speaker over Skype. Now you can choose how to capture the video under Secondary Sources. Note, you can record multiple inputs concurrently, but the Capture PowerPoint and Capture Main Screen are the most popular. Any additional video sources, such as a classroom ladybug, can be added by clicking the Add Another Video Source and selecting it as an available source. An easy way to know what screen you are capturing is to select the Enable Screen Capture Preview. The Capture PowerPoint option can be used to start recording, but it will not start until the PowerPoint has been opened. After you open the presentation, you will be asked to start presenting when the recording starts. Note, if your PowerPoint utilizes many transitions like fade and push, these will not be captured unless you also utilize Capture Main Screen as your primary screen option. The second screen allows you to record just that, the second screen, if you have multiple computer monitors to choose from while recording. Now you can begin recording. Just click on the red Record icon. Once you have begun recording, the icon will change to Pause and Stop. Please note that when you click the Pause button, Panopto is continuing to record, but that section will be edited out of the final version, or you can get the content back by using the editor. Once everything has been recorded and you have stopped your recording, you will be taken to the Manage Recordings tab in the top navigational panel. Your recording should automatically begin to upload. It will be available in your course Panopto queue or directly join to a session once its processing is complete. Joining a session is a feature of the recorder to automatically link your recording directly to an existing multi-format content object that was previously created within your course. This is similar to the previously used auto-link feature in Soul. In order to join sessions, you must first create a multi-format content object within the content panel of the course and give it a specific calendar date, time, and duration. After you have created the multi-format for the future session, you are welcome to add the PowerPoint to it for students to review in tandem or in advance of the recording. Once you are back in the Panopto recorder in the correct course folder, select the drop-down Join Sessions button, then choose the session you created to connect. Record your session as normal. Once the recording has been uploaded, it will process and drop into the appropriate location in the corresponding multi-format content object. If you simply send your recording to your course folder and do not choose to join session, you will see your videos that can be added to the course content from the Panopto queue. Go to the content area of your course and click the plus sign to add content. Select the option of Panopto queue. Here you will see any processed videos available or shared to your course. Select the media file you wish to add, your processing preference with prompts, and then click Submit. This will now be posted within the new or existing multi-format under Course Content. You can access all your recordings for a course by visiting your Panopto Library. Here you can find a listing of all media in the course and settings that you can modify. Please use caution if you wish to modify a lecture. It is recommended that you do not delete any recorded material, as it cannot be retrieved. You can utilize the right pointing arrow to open the library in the Panopto platform. This view of Panopto will let you see your current course in which you are a creator, plus all other courses in which you may be a creator or a viewer. Again, it is recommended you visit this view with great care. You can see all media to which you have access, and deleted media cannot be recovered. Again, deleted media cannot be recovered. Thank you.